Good morning, everybody. My name is Craig Riddle from Be Active Sports, and this morning I would just like to explain to you how you can make it easy to get onto your physical education program as provided by your school. So if you're watching this video, that means that you are lucky enough to be in a school that has made having fun and most of all physical development a very important aspect of your child's life. So I would like to make that easier for you. So if you're watching this video, you either clicked on the link that's in this message that you can see now in front of me, or you clicked on it in the PDF that I've just opened. So I'm going to show you first how to access the page through the PDF. So if you had clicked on this link that you're watching this video now, you would have clicked on how to get set up. Once you've done this and you've closed this video and you know how to get in, you'll click on YouTube link. So I'm going to click on it, and it is going to take me to my school's page, and there you can see I can view all the videos and I will see them as soon as they're updated. To make this easier for yourself, so you don't need to keep on searching for that link, as we know it's time consuming and frustrating, I would recommend that you just click this button here to save or to add it to your library, so that you can access, or your children can access, these videos anytime you like. So simple as that. I'm going to unclick it so we can show you again. Let's go back to WhatsApp. So if you have accessed this through a WhatsApp message, you'll click on the playlist. Again, takes me straight to my school's page, and I can view my videos. To make sure that it's easier for me in the future, I click add to library, and it's as simple as that. Now I can just enjoy. So I hope this helps you guys. I hope you enjoy. If you need any other assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our details are on the playlist description. So please don't hesitate to contact us. I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you soon.